Chapter 3: Main Parameter Settings and Maintenance Procedures. The Main Parameter Settings section. Server parameters H1, 2, 3, 4. B. Please keep the same as default. The range of head H1, 2, 3. For please keep the same as the default. The routine maintenance list of the machine. Oil all drive shafts. Head shaft. First wipe off the used lubricant. Then apply new lubricant on the drive shaft and connection. Please note that the belts should not be coated with lubricant. The guide rails in this section also need to be lubricated. And here. Then here the rods on the base here. And HRE the main moving screws. And the screws that go up and down here. And the X-axis screw under the cover here. And here, the Y-axis screw.